Hey guys, how's it going? You know, sometimes when people start searching for things, the reason behind it is they're basically wanting to make some money for whatever reason they need it to do whatever it is that they want. And there's a lot of ways out here that you can make money. Like you can sell things on like Facebook Marketplace. And if that doesn't work for you, there's all sorts of other places. There's Craigslist. There's a lot of things that you could do to make money. You can go to Facebook and you'll find, or Craigslist, and find things that are free. All you gotta do is pick them up. They're free for you. You get those things and then turn around, put them back out to sell. Are you gonna get rich quick? Probably not, but you're gonna make money. And that's what you're after, right? The other thing is, you can actually donate blood if you want to. That'll get you some money. You can't do that a whole lot each day, but, it'll get you some money. The next thing is maybe cancel some things that you don't need. Maybe you're watching Netflix and you don't really watch Netflix. Dump it. You don't need it. And the other things that will make you money, you can paint houses. Now, it doesn't take a whole lot of knowledge, let's say, to paint houses. A lot of people paint their own houses. They'll tape things off because they can't really draw a straight line. But in time, you'll be able to draw that straight line and you won't need that tape to paste things off. A couple other things you can do is have a garage sale. That'll help you. And I guess you could get like a part-time job. I mean, because I don't know where you live, but I'm living roughly Kansas City, and you can't go into a store, a restaurant, or anywhere that it doesn't have a sign that says help wanted. And they're paying anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks an hour. That's decent money, part-time. How about a follow? And check out my bio. There's 2 links in there that just might help you. One is a free ebook that I know if you read it, it's going to help you. The second one is what I'm doing, and I think you might enjoy seeing that too if you're interested in making money online. Later, guys.